Stop ignoring airplane mode. It's not just a fancy icon on your phone. Okay, so here's the deal. Not turning on airplane mode won't make the plane fall from the sky. Phew, right? But it can cause some serious static in the cockpit. Pilots might hear annoying buzzes and beeps instead of important instructions. And let's face it, nobody wants a distracted pilot. Also, your phone will drain its battery, desperately trying to find a signal at 30,000 feet. Spoiler alert, it won't. Plus, it's like shouting, "Look at me" to everyone else's devices. Not cool. So next time you're on a flight, just flip the switch. Airplane mode on. Save battery, and give the pilot some peace and quiet. Safe travels.